The North Sea doesn't forgive. It's a churning battlefield where nature holds the upper hand. It has swallowed ships whole. It has claimed countless lives. Sailors know its reputation well. One mistake, one moment of hesitation can spell disaster in these unforgiving waters. This is not a sea for the faint of heart. This is a sea that demands respect, and even then, it might not be enough. The North Sea is a shallow basin, a unique and fascinating body of water that has played a significant role in the history and development of the surrounding regions. Its shallow depths, averaging around 95 meters, make it particularly susceptible to the forces of nature. It's wedged between Great Britain and continental Europe, forming a natural boundary that has influenced trade, travel, and conflict for centuries. This strategic location has made the North Sea a crucial maritime route. This geographical location makes it a funnel for powerful storms. The North Sea's position exposes it to weather systems from the Atlantic Ocean, the Arctic, and even the continental land masses, creating a perfect storm of meteorological conditions. These storms rage down from the Arctic, bringing with them cold air masses that clash with warmer air from the south. This interaction often results in severe weather, including gale-force winds and heavy precipitation. They sweep across the Atlantic, gathering strength and moisture as they travel. By the time these storms reach the North Sea, they are often at their most powerful, capable of causing significant damage to coastal areas and maritime activities. The storms are constricted by the narrow English Channel, which acts as a natural bottleneck. This constriction can amplify the intensity of the storms, leading to even more dramatic weather events in the North Sea. This creates a perfect storm of conditions, literally. The combination of geographical location, shallow waters, and constricted channels makes the North Sea one of the most volatile and dangerous seas in the world. But there's more to this sea than just its volatile temperament. On calmer days, the North Sea reveals a different side, one of serene beauty and abundant life. Its waters are home to a diverse array of marine species, from fish to seabirds to marine mammals. The North Sea is a vital source of natural resources. Its rich fishing grounds have sustained human populations for centuries, providing a bountiful harvest of fish and other seafood that supports local economies and cultures. It has rich fishing grounds that have sustained populations for centuries. The fishing industry in the North Sea is one of the most productive in the world, with species like cod, haddock, and herring being particularly abundant. And beneath the waves lie vast reserves of oil and gas. The discovery of these resources in the 20th century transformed the North Sea into a major center of offshore drilling and energy production, contributing significantly to the energy needs of Europe. These treasures, however, come at a price. The extraction of oil and gas poses environmental risks, including oil spills and habitat disruption. Balancing the economic benefits with the need to protect the marine environment is an ongoing challenge for the region. The North Sea is known for its unpredictable weather. One moment it can be calm, then without warning, a furious storm can erupt. Dense fog often descends upon the water. This reduces visibility to mere meters. The temperatures can plummet rapidly. The freezing spray can ice over a ship's deck in minutes. These conditions make navigation extremely challenging. Even the most experienced sailors can find themselves caught off guard. The sea is unforgiving. It's a constant threat to those who dare to travel its waters. In February 2023, the dangers of the North Sea were once again brought into sharp focus. The North Sea, known for its unpredictable weather and treacherous waters, has long been a challenging environment for mariners. This particular incident, however, was a stark reminder of just how perilous these waters can be. Two cargo ships collided in dense fog off the coast of the Netherlands. The dense fog had reduced visibility to almost zero, making navigation extremely difficult. Despite the advanced radar and navigation systems on board, the ships were unable to avoid the collision. The impact sent shockwaves through the shipping industry. The collision not only caused significant damage to both vessels but also disrupted shipping routes and schedules. The maritime industry, already under pressure from global supply chain issues, was thrown into further disarray. It served as a stark reminder of the ever-present risks in these treacherous waters. The North Sea is notorious for its sudden storms and rough seas, which can catch even the most experienced sailors off guard. This incident highlighted the need for constant vigilance and preparedness. Thankfully, there were no fatalities in this particular incident. The quick response of the rescue teams ensured that all crew members were safely evacuated. The relief on the faces of the rescued sailors was palpable, a testament to the efficiency and bravery of the rescue operations, but the potential for disaster was clear. The collision could have easily resulted in a major environmental catastrophe, with the potential for oil spills and other hazardous materials being released into the sea. The damage to the ships was extensive, and it took several weeks to fully assess and repair. The collision highlighted the importance of vigilance. Mariners must always be on high alert, especially in challenging conditions like dense fog. The crew's quick thinking and adherence to safety protocols played a crucial role in preventing a more severe outcome. It underscored the need for advanced safety measures when navigating the North Sea. Modern technology, such as advanced radar systems and automated navigation tools, are essential in helping ships navigate safely. However, this incident also emphasized that technology alone is not enough. Human vigilance and preparedness are equally important in ensuring maritime safety. Section 5. A Sea of Commerce. Despite the dangers, the North Sea remains one of the busiest shipping routes in the world. Its waters are a vital artery of global trade. Cargo ships, oil tankers, and fishing vessels all converge in this treacherous expanse. The economic incentives are high. The demand for the resources the North Sea offers is constant. So, despite the risks, sailors continue to brave the perilous waters. They do so to keep the world's economy moving. Section 6. Treacherous Shallows. The North Sea may seem vast, but it's surprisingly shallow in many areas. This shallowness presents a unique set of challenges for navigation. Sandbanks and shoals lurk beneath the surface. These can catch even experienced captains off guard. The constant churning of the water leads to sedimentation. This further complicates navigation. The seabed is constantly shifting. What was once a clear passage can quickly become a treacherous trap. Section 7. Whispers in the Wind. For centuries, sailors have whispered tales of the supernatural at work in the North Sea. Stories of phantom ships and malevolent sea creatures have been passed down through generations. These stories often served as warnings to ward off complacency and encourage respect for the sea's power. While these tales may be dismissed as folklore, they speak to the deep sense of awe and fear that the North Sea has inspired in seafarers for centuries. Section 8. A Legacy of Peril. The North Sea has played a pivotal role in shaping history. Its waters have been both a source of sustenance and a stage for conflict, influencing the lives of those who lived along its shores for centuries. Vikings used its treacherous waters as a highway for raids and conquests. These fierce warriors, known for their seafaring prowess, embarked on daring expeditions, navigating the North Sea's unpredictable waves to reach distant lands. Their longships, designed for speed and maneuverability, navigated the unpredictable conditions, leaving their mark on the coastlines of Britain and Europe. The Vikings' mastery of the sea allowed them to establish trade routes, settlements, and even kingdoms far from their Scandinavian homelands. Centuries later, the North Sea became a battleground for naval powers. The strategic importance of these waters was recognized by empires and nations, leading to numerous naval engagements as they vied for control. Its waters witnessed fierce clashes during both world wars. The North Sea was a critical theater of operations, with submarines, battleships, and aircraft carriers all playing pivotal roles in the struggle for dominance. Today, the sea's legacy is one of economic importance, intertwined with the ever-present danger it poses. The discovery of vast oil and gas reserves beneath its seabed has transformed the North Sea into a hub of industrial activity. Offshore platforms and rigs dot the horizon, extracting valuable resources that fuel economies. Yet, the North Sea remains as perilous as ever, with its unpredictable weather and rough seas continuing to challenge those who venture into its depths. From ancient Viking longships to modern oil rigs, the North Sea's story is one of enduring significance and constant change. Section 9. The Sea Remains. The North Sea remains a sailor's nightmare. It's a testament to the raw power of nature. It's a constant reminder that humans are but visitors in this unforgiving realm. Technology has improved navigation and safety, but the sea's unpredictable nature ensures that the journey will always be fraught with peril. The North Sea is a place of stark beauty and profound danger. It's a place where respect for the sea is not just tradition, but a necessity for survival.